What's good? Let's get into another video. Seems like this week is a bunch of design problems, so I'm down for it. Just do it, just for the sake of it. So design a spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a grid with 26 columns from A through Z and given a number of rows. Each cell in the spreadsheet can hold an integer value from 0 to 10 to the 5. Okay. Initialize through 26 columns labeled with the specified number of rows. Okay. So I need to visualize this real quick. So we're from A, B, C, D, and then we'll have X and like n amount of rows. So that's 1. I guess. Sets the value of the specific cell. The cell is provided in the format AX, where the number okay. I think I can do that. Okay, I think maybe having like a hash map, right? And they hold it's kind of like holds a row, right? And then these are all 0. Okay. And then the value. Okay. Reset cell resets the specific cell to 0. getValue evaluates a formula of the form x plus y, where y and are either cell references or non-negative integers, and returns the computed sum. Oh man. So 5 plus 7? What does that mean? Okay. You can just say 5 plus 7, or you can convert the okay. That makes sense. Okay. Okay, I think I got it. So what if we make self dot hash or calls to rows, right? And we'll fill it up. So for every I in range, I guess for every ASCII code in, okay, for every letter in I in range of, let's say 20, okay, ASCII value I think it's uppercase is from 65 to 90. Okay, so 65 to 91 character of letter of self dot calls to rows equals L times rows. No. Wait, would it make sense to be like rows is how long this has to be? Yes, it's fine. Okay. So that's rows. Print self dot calls. Okay. Pass. Okay. Alright, that's nice. So we'll have this, right? First off, I'm getting all the way to Z, right? Okay. Now we'll have set cell. So set cell is the cell in the form. So let's find call is cell of 0, right? Row is equal to cell one and beyond, right? And we'll say int -1, and yeah, we can do, okay, so we're gonna do this. So self dot calls to column equals column at this row is equal to value. Print self dot calls or to rows. Uh-oh. What just happened? Oh wait, that's why. Call. Oh shoot. But that's fine. Okay. Seems like it's working. Yeah. So we got that going. Okay, reset cell. I guess I think it's nice to I think it's nice to let's do this. I'm gonna make a class called cell. Where we'll take in a column and row, right? Self dot call equals call. Self dot row equal row. Def I think add. I think other, right? Is basically to never mind, bro. It's not. I'm not. They're not gonna even pass me this, so it's no point of doing that. It's extra work. So we got that to be set. So now reset. I'm just gonna. I am being a bit redundant, but it's whatever's right. So okay. We got that going. It's just basically this, but this. We got this going on here, and then getValue. Pretty straightforward, I think. So yeah, let me see. Let's do this. Parts, right? It's called formula dot split by this, right? Print parts, right? So let me see this. I want to strip away the I really want to strip away the equal sign. Because that would be really useful. But I think they freaking added that intentionally. Okay. What if I build like a parser, right? So like, okay. Right. Well, okay. What if I do this? First, let's just get rid of this and then split. Okay, not. It's like, 1 and beyond. What if I do that instead? Okay. Right. Right. Then I'll do call parts of 0 row being row equals parts of 1, right? Of course I got this. And we'll do int -1. Pretty straightforward, I think. Then, so we got the row and column. Oh, that's a thing. Fuck. Hold on. It could be either. I don't know. This could be. It's not gonna be guaranteed to be. It's not gonna be guaranteed that this cell is gonna be here. So that's not good code. Okay. Damn. Exactly. Like, for example, this one is not. Damn. This sucks. Okay. Like, X or Y can be a cell or a number. So, I don't know which order it's gonna be in. Of course, the last function is gonna be hard. Let's see. All cells are initially set to 0. That's a formula of the form x plus y, where x and y are either this. How do I identify which is the cell or which are numbers, right? Well, let me do this then. For every part in parts, print int part. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Damn. Okay, maybe. Ooh, the length. I can definitely check the length. Right? No, I can't check the length because non-negative integers. This can be like anything, bro. So I can't even check the length, you know? Oh my god. But I could do this though. So for every part in parts, if part of 0, right, in self dot calls to row, right, then we know it's a type of thing. We'll do this formula here. We'll do this. Okay, we'll do this instead. This we'll try to hold on. Part 0 and int part that row column get that value res plus this, else that means this is an integer, so we can just res plus int part return res. Let's see. Yeah, I think this was a pretty straightforward problem, just a lot of conversion. Yeah. Pretty clean. Alright, anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.